Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because I got the new Monsta X album. I got I Am. I don't think I'll get like the regular albums. I don't know. So far, I think I only want to collect him, but it is a Walmart exclusive. So I believe there's like 2 or 3 photo cards in here. I'm not sure. This is their new one called Unfold. I think this is just how it's gonna have to be with the camera. This camera is crap. I want to switch so badly to Samsung, but I have so much. Wait. I was gonna say, this is not I Am. This looks like Shonu. So are the CDs even random? I read something where the CDs were, it did say random, but I thought that was kind of weird. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Everything is in here. Why is everything inside him Shonu? I don't like it. I don't like it. I want it. I want I Am. Everything, please. Oh. At least the book is him. Okay. Heal, that's the song. I was not a fan of the song Heal. I do like Growing Pains. I love Baby Blue, and I'll be honest, I haven't listened to the rest of them, but Baby Blue has my heart. I love that song. Oh, I like this. Well, we all saw who this was. He's Hyungwon. Okay, let's see. Oh, Minhyuk. I swear. I don't think I'm gonna pull I Am at all. Nope. What the heck? Oh, okay. That's fine, that's fine. I got my friend's biases. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not buying anymore. I'm not buying anymore. But I'm gonna see if anyone will trade because, yeah. This was a very short video. Thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you very soon in my next one.